Hi everyone, my name is Jamie. I'm the founder of 60-Second Chords, where we teach you how to play chords in under 60 seconds. In this episode, we're going to be learning about 2-5-1s in the key of C. Follow me while we get to the keyboard. Now, in the key of C, the scale is C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and C. Now, if we use the number system, the 2 essentially would be D. It's right after C. The 5 would be G. And the 1 would be C. So this video is intended for people that are intermediate to advanced, and we're going to be looking at this more in depth. Now, your 2 is D, your 5 is G, and your 1 is C. In your left hand, you're going to be playing D, A, and D. On your right hand, you're going to be playing F and G with your thumb, with the C major chord, which is C, E, and G, and that's your D minor 9 chord. Your 5, you're going to be playing G and D in your left hand. In your right hand, you're going to be playing B, A, and A. And your 1 chord is going to be a C major 9, which is going to consist of C, G, and C. In your right hand, it's essentially a G chord, a G chord with the added E. So that would be B, D, E, and G. All right, so let's play it through together. So we have your D minor 9, and then your C major 9. Now, for those who want to get fancy, you can do a little bit of added spice. What you can do, instead of playing the G, you can actually go down a half step and go to the C sharp, and that would be what they call chord substitution. So, same chords, but the only thing that changes is the bass. And then now your 1 chord. There you have it, 2-5-1s in the key of C. Now take this and apply this to all 12 keys.